Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzel in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with some Prizm pours and primary elements from Colourarte and a few other brands. Some swipe cards, a pre-primed dry black, pre-primed with Meeden Black canvas, 10 by 20. I want to leave a cross shape, well, I want to leave some black negative space, not necessarily a cross. I'm hoping my Meeden paint is going to be open. That was the Meeden paint. Hopefully I have got, yes, I mixed up some white, Vivid Intense white. I'm not sure where this is going to go. I'm just thinking geometric. And I'm going to grab colors I love. I'm going to grab some Tempting Tulip. And some Cupid's Crush. Well, I will if it'll let me. Oh, big clot in the end. I can probably get that out. Well, I can get enough of it out so I can use it. I'm going to add some saffron, Prizm pour. I've got some sour lemon. With a little bit of orange crush in it. Not sure what that's doing over there yet. This is orange crush. Here's some jasmine. I'm going to use a little bit of this Burmese red from the Fairy Tales Prizm Primary Elements. And I'm going to put it with Cerulean blue, which might be nuts. Let's use some blue velvet too. Oh, that's nice. I like that together. This is some shiny taffeta. Primary element, excuse me, Prizm pour. And the question is, I have some Snapdragon. That's a primary element. I have some Egyptian blue. And I'm almost ready to begin. I have some Nebula Star that I'd like to put in there. That's a primary element too. Let's try some of that right here. I have no idea what's going to happen, but if I get some bottles out of the way. Do I want Chantilly lace? I might want some Chantilly lace actually. I'm not sure where. Let's just put it everywhere. So that made me want that, what was that, Dark Star? No, Nebula Star. That just makes me want the Royal Sapphire that much more because it's very similar in family. I don't think I'm done with the African Violet today. I probably shouldn't have put those next to each other. So I'm going to decide now I'm going to grab a different card. I've got a card. Yay! Put a little bit of Cell Activator, Australian Floetrol, and Amsterdam Black. I've got enough left on there so I can go again. Don't mind leaving behind little bits of colors. I think I'm going to go the short way. I missed a spot and I don't want to. I've got other colors of Cell Activator and I'm tempted right now by the iridescent blue-violet and the Boom Gels. I'm liking these colors a lot. There we go. Not sure about that. I'm sure I don't want to waste those colors. I have a toothy tool. I might want to use it. I hate it when I have to edit. Let's try this. Oh, that worked. Yay. Let's try some of the mauve pearlescent Boom Gel. And just knock off my residual paint on the edge of the canvas because I think it's a good idea. I think I'm going to use either teal, yeah, teal pearlescent gel, and some mauve. Why not? I could do that in one long card swipe, but I think I'm going to do it in sections. And that does not bother me. I quite like that. All of that. Use the colors I have left on my card. I do want something across the top here. I'm not sure it'll stay, but it's better than black on black. Add a few elements of texture. Inside my design. Sorry if my head's in the way. I'm not sure about that, but I think I can do something about it if I want to match it up with some other marks. Just to move the eye around inside the... You know what's better than that spatula? This spatula. This is a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Really good for moving paint. Maybe not in that case. There, that's interesting. It's different. I almost want to put texture right down the black spots. Dot through. See what it looks like. Steal color from wherever we can, as it looks heavy. And destroy a bubble on the way. Not 100% on that. There, I'm liking it a little bit more. I've got a toothy tool I made up out of acetate. It's kind of fun. I think I need something in here too, though. Yeah. That'll do it. Maybe. I want some more gold. I want some more gold in there right now. Can I have it? I don't know. Put it down here and hope I can get it to go there. Yep, that's not bad. I like it. There, that's really different and I really like it. People have been asking me to go backwards and bring back some stuff I used to do. Hopefully this will satisfy their need. Let's get busy and give you a shimmer. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. I'm going to steal some more paint. I want some jasmine. Where am I going to get it from? So I'm not sure which way is up yet. But it could be any way you like it, as long as it has a composition. What is that? Is that a bubble? No, that's a thing. Come here, thing. I will be popping bubbles. I love these cells, but I like this streak of colors over there, and the textures are really cool. I'm liking this one a lot. So I do sell my artwork. I'd love to sell my artwork. And I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And I don't know if you can see how beautiful that is from up there, so I'm going to try and zoom in a little bit. It was a day for geometrics. I'll try and get down there and shimmer again at you. So I love you guys. I hope you come again. I just said that. Thank you for sharing my videos, and when you give me a thumbs up, you really get my appreciation going. And thank you for your kind words and your comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you very much for those of you who are kind and shop my Amazon link. I really, 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 really appreciate that. It hasn't been happening very much lately. I don't know if things are being redirected away or what the deal is, but it's been almost inconsequential. So thank you for shopping my Amazon link. Check out my link tree for my 2 books are on the Amazon link too. Excuse me. Volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, are the first and the second 100 videos that I made for YouTube. Wow. There's some tremendously beautiful stuff going on in there. And a few bubbles. Pop with my thumbnail. So I'm all distracted. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link. I said that. Look for the 20% off Colourarte coupon code and the 10% off Pixel Paint Designs coupon code. Colourarte coupon codes will get you Prizm Pores and Primary Elements. Pixel Paint Designs coupon codes will get you Australian Floetrol, Boom Gel, and Pebeo paints, which I use most, as well as Colourarte. And I like using them together very much. I love you guys. And my paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you so much for being here. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I think I mentioned I sell my art, but I'm not sure I mentioned I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Questions are encouraged, so feel free to ask me. If I know the answer, I'll certainly let you know. Spring clothing below the video, Society 6, The Gallerist, Pixels.com, and Fine Art America are all places you can have my art reproduced on whatever merchandise they sell. The more I look at this, the more I'm in love with it. I hope it looks half as good to you guys as it does to me, because it's really cool. And I really appreciate you guys being here. So I will see you anon. Check my community board for tomorrow's video at 10:15, and know that I have 30 playlists of videos with 100 on each. And they're also offered by topic and genre. And if you can't find them easily, I don't blame you. You have to go to playlists, all playlists, created playlists on my channel, and it's a challenge. But if you tell me that you like a certain style, I will offer you the playlist that goes with that style if you leave me a comment. So, thanks for being here. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Sorry about all the confusion. Hope to see you soon. Maybe tomorrow. Bye for now. Priscilla out.